Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to add a table of contents in Microsoft Word. Let's use this sample document to demonstrate. In this file, different sections are bolded, which you might see as titles and headers. But Word doesn't. We need to help it a little bit. To make a table of contents in Word, I need to assign styles to each of my bolded sections. Here is how. Go to the ribbon, click on Home and use the Styles menu. In Styles menu, you will find different styles for titles and headings. I'll highlight my title and I'll pick the title style. Now the font, size and color are already set, but you can change them as you wish. Now choose heading 1 for each line with a heading. Now that you have used styles for your document parts, let's add the table of contents. I'll scroll back to where I want the table of contents to be. Okay, I go to the ribbon, click on References and pick Table of Contents. You can choose from a few automatic tables. I'll choose this one. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, leave comments and goodbye.